your solution of ordinary differential equation, and as per the procedures, we have overall 5 different methods to calculate the solution. Taylor method, sometimes it is also called as Taylor series method. Second, Picard approximation method. Third one, Euler method. Fourth, modified Euler method. And the fifth one, Runge-Kutta method. It is also called as RK method. And successfully we completed the first one, Taylor series method, to find out the solution of first order ordinary differential equation. Even when you are entering into the second method, Picard approximation method, a separate formula is given in order to calculate the solution. So just you look onto the screen. For a first order ordinary differential equation, generally it is denoted by dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. A condition will be given y of x naught equal to y naught. Then the successive approximate solutions as per Picard approximation method. So we are using a formula yn, it is equal to y naught plus integral x naught to x f of x comma y n minus 1 of dx. Here n is taking the value 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is the formula used to calculate the approximate solutions of the given first order ordinary differential equation. So just you note down Picard approximation method and write down the formula here. So for a first order ordinary differential equation, for a first order ordinary differential equation, first order ordinary differential equation, dy by dx equal to f of x comma y with a condition y of x naught equal to y naught, y of x naught equal to y naught, comma, the successive approximate solutions are given by, so in the next line you make a statement yn, it is equal to y naught plus integral over x naught to x f of x comma y n minus 1 of dx for n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So in the previous method, Taylor series method, we have used a separate formula. Directly you are getting the solution for the ordinary differential equation. Here we are using this formula to get your answer. So to understand the complete procedure of Picard, I just give you one problem for this. So write down the first problem. Use Picard approximation method. Use Picard approximation method to find the solution of, so they have given a differential equation. It is looking like dy by dx, it is equal to x plus y with a condition. So the condition is mentioned here. It is y of 0 equal to 1. Also find so y value at x equal to 0.1. Look at this problem. This problem is very similar to your first problem we used in Taylor series method. The same problem here I am giving, and I am trying to find out the solution for this differential equation. So at present I am using Picard approximation method. So first you write down what they have given. Given dy by dx equal to, it is x plus y, and the condition is there y of 0 equal to 1. So here you are introducing a function f of x comma y. What is the meaning of f of x comma y? Normally first order ordinary differential equation can be denoted by dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. So whatever may be the expression is there for dy by dx, you take it as f of x comma y, and the condition it is denoted by y of x naught equal to y naught. So here x naught is 0 and y naught is nothing but 1. So once you identify this, now I am applying Picard approximation method. So by Picard, this is the name of the mathematician, Picard approximation method. By Picard approximation method, the successive approximate solutions are given by, so you are using a formula given by Picard. It is yn equal to y naught plus integral over x naught to x, just it is f of x comma y n minus 1 of dx for n is taking the value 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is a standard formula given by Picard. So here you just substitute your available values. Already you know that y naught value is nothing but 1. So 1 plus integral x naught. What is your x naught? Here the value is nothing but 0. So 0 to x, that you are writing f of x comma y n minus 1 of dx as it is. So we have only the x naught and y naught values. That values I am substituting in your given expression. Now here you are just finding for n equal to 1. I am just substituting n equal to 1 so that you are getting the first approximate solution in your last expression 1 plus integral 0 to x f of x comma, there you are substituting n equal to 1 means y naught. This is of dx. Just I am substituting that value. Or I can write 1 plus integral over 0 to x f of x comma y naught value is nothing but 1 dx. So it is equal to 1 plus integral 0 to x I am keeping as it is. So this is looking like integrand f of x comma y. So f of x comma y means x you are keeping as it is in your given function. Only in the place of y you are writing 1. So what is your actually f of x comma y? Your f of x comma y is nothing but x plus y. So I am using the same formula, x plus y is nothing but 1. So this is of dx. The reason is f of x comma y, they given it as x plus y. So whatever may be the value you are getting, that is replaced. So it is equal to 1 plus. Now you do the integration with respect to x. So it is x square by 2 and here it is integral of 1 is nothing but x. So there you are substituting the limits 0 to x. So 1 plus your upper limit x square by 2 and plus x as it is. Lower limit is anyhow it is equal to 0. This is the first approximate solution corresponding to the given problem. But better you try to find out one more approximate solution also. So there I am substituting for n equal to 2 so that you are getting y2 equal to, in the last expression, 1 plus integral over 0 to x f of x comma n equal to 2 means it is y1, it is of dx. So this I am just making the simplification 1 plus integral 0 to x. What is it here? F of x comma y1 means it is almost similar to your f of x comma y. Y is replaced by y1. So just I am writing x plus in the place of y, I am writing y1, it is of dx. So it is equal to 1 plus integral over 0 to x plus, and what about this y1? This y1 already we calculated from first approximate solution. So that value is nothing but 1 plus x square by 2 plus x. So that y1 value you are substituting here in order to make the simplification. Now you do it first simplification, then you find out its integral value. So it is equal to 1 plus integral 0 to x. I can write here it is 1 plus, that is nothing but 2x plus x square by 2. So just you are taking dx. or it is 1 plus integration with respect to x. So x plus 2 into x square by 2, 2 is cancelled, only x square, plus that becomes x cube by 3, already 2 is there, so 6. So limits are nothing but 0 to x. So when I substitute the limits, 1 plus x square plus x cube by 6. So this is nothing but your second approximate root. Even if you want to calculate third approximate root, better whenever you increase the number of values of approximate solutions, you are going to get accurate solution corresponding to the given problem. But better you try to find out up to 3 times. So I'm just taking for n equal to 3. If I write third approximate root, so that y3 that is equal to, as per the principle, 1 plus integral over x naught means it is 0. 0 to x f of x comma y n minus 1, which is nothing but y2 of dx. So it is equal to 1 plus integral over 0 to x. So f of x comma y2 means similar to f of x comma y. So as per your expression, x plus y place lo y2 rastaru, it is of dx. So it is 1 plus, it is directly before taking the integration, x plus y2 we have already calculated, its value 1 plus x square plus x cube by 6. So just that y2 value is substituted here, and first you do the simplification, 1 plus integral 0 to x. So it becomes 1 plus, that value is nothing but x plus x is nothing but 2x, and here it is x square and it is x cube by 6. This is totally of dx. Now you do the integration with respect to x value. So after taking the integration only, you are substituting the limits. 1 plus, when I go to the integral of 1, x plus 2 into x integration x square by 2. So on cancellation, it becomes x cube by 3. And this is nothing but x to the power of 4 by 4 into 6 is nothing but 24. And the limits here it is 0 to x. Or I can write 1 plus upper limit I am substituting x plus x square plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 4 divided by 4. So this is the third approximate solution corresponding to the given differential equation. If you want, you can calculate the next one also, but better you stop the process up to third approximate root, and after getting the solution, they are asking to find out y value at x equal to 0.1. So if I write x equal to 0.1, that y value, so whatever may be the final answer you are getting there, so 1 plus x value is nothing but 0.1 plus here it is 0.1 whole square plus 0.1 whole cube by 3 plus 0.1 whole power 4 divided by 24. So you can take your calculator and just try to find out the answer. So can you give us the answer for this? Rule number 1 and 2. Approximately I am getting 1.1103. Is it correct? Rule number 2. I am using Picard's approximation method in order to get your answer. Is it okay, ma'am? What is the answer you are getting there? Okay, have you got the answer for this? 1.1103.
Yes, sir. 1.11.
So only the thing is you need to remember this particular formula, and using that you are just finding the approximate roots. Of course, you can stop for first approximate root only, but a little bit of far away from your correct answer. So when you increase the number of iterations, definitely you will get an accurate answer for the given problem. But maximum you try to find out up to third approximate root. If you have any problem, you can stop even for second also. But my sincere suggestion is go for up to third approximate. Shall I go to the next one now?
Yes, sir.
So rule number 2, I'm just find the solution. Find the solution. Find the solution of. So a problem is given. Better. So you look at the previous problem. Have you got the same answer by applying Taylor series method? There also we have calculated y value at x equal to 0.1. I think you will get the same. So dy by dx, that is equal to x square plus y square. So with a condition, so the condition is mentioned here, with a condition y of 0, it is equal to
answer.
same answer. Okay. And find y at x equal to 0.4. So very simplest one, you are using Picard's approximation method. If method is not mentioned, it's your choice. You can use any of the methods. So at present I am using Picard's method. So what they have given, you try to write down. It is dy by dx. Its value is equal to x square plus y square. And the condition is there, it is y of 0, it is equal to 0. So just I am introducing the function f of x comma y that shows the right side of dy by dx, x square plus y square, and with the help of condition, the bracket value is x naught and the right side value is nothing but y naught value. So once you get that value, now I am entering into your Picard's approximation method formula. So just you try to find out that value. So I'm using by Picard's approximation method, the successive approximate solutions are given by, I'm just using that particular formula in order to get your value. So that can be useful for the next one. Okay. So this, you write down your available values first. So what are the available values? Y naught, your value is 0. X naught is also 0, 0 to x. So f of x comma y n minus 1 of dx. This is the simplified formula, or this can be taken as 0 plus something is nothing but here just you write down 0 to x. Only we are having f of x comma y n minus 1 of dx. So now I am substituting n equal to 1. The first approximate solution you are getting. So y1 equal to integral 0 to x f of x comma n equal to 1 means y naught. It is of dx. So it is equal to integral 0 to x. First you write down the function. We know that f of x comma y. Your f of x comma y is nothing but x square plus y square. So almost it is similar to f of x comma y, but here f of x comma y naught value is nothing but 0. So it is of dx. So integral 0 to x, looking in the same model f of x comma y, directly I am substituting in the given function. X square plus, in the place of y, it is nothing but 0. So 0 square. It is of dx. Or I can write integral 0 to x, we have only x square dx. So on finding that integral, it is x cubed by 3. The limits are nothing but 0 to x. So upper limit is x cubed by 3 and lower limit is equal to 0. So nothing to worry. Then you are moving to the second approximate. So I'm directly getting for n equal to 2, So second approximate y2 directly in the formula 0 to x, f of x comma y n minus 1 is nothing but y1 of dx. It is nothing but integral 0 to x, f of x comma y type only. So just you substitute in your formula. It is x square plus y square means it is y1 square. It is of dx. So it is equal to integral 0 to x. So I'm substituting there x square plus y1 already we have calculated. So its value is x cube by 3 and square is there. So square overall it is nothing but dx. So do the simplification 0 to x, it becomes x square plus its square is nothing but x to the power of 6 divided by 9. It is of dx. So now you find out the integration with respect to x for that. So it is equal to x cube by 3 plus, so 1 by 9 it is a constant, it is x power 7 divided by 7. So limits are 0 to x. So upper limit it is x cube by 3 and plus x to the power of 7, 9 sevens are 63. So that is the second approximate solution for the given ordinary differential equation. Better to get your correct answer, I am just going for the next approximate root also. So n equal to 3, it is y3. So integral 0 to x, f of x comma yn minus 1, it is y2 of dx. So integral 0 to x, looking in the same model f of x comma y. So as per your problem, x square plus y square. So it is y2 square. It is of dx. So this is integral 0 to x. So x square plus y2 square means already we have calculated y2. So x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 7 by 63. This is nothing but a square. So overall it is dx. First you do the simplification. 0 to x, x square plus, it is looking like a plus b whole square formula. So a square, that means x to the power of 6 divided by 9 plus b square, x to the power of 7 into 7. So x to the power of 14 and it is 63 square. How much you are getting 63 square? Better you write down same 63 square and plus 2ab. It is 2 into x cube by 3 into 3 into x to the power of 7 divided by 63. Just I am using the same. So it is of dx. So first I do the simplification 0 to x. So I am getting it is x square plus x to the power of 6 by 9 plus x to the power of 14 divided by, shall I take the answer? 63 square. What is the answer you are getting? 63 square. So you are 3969. Okay, 3969. 3969 plus. So this becomes 3 into 63. I am using 3 into 63. So that value 189. So 2 divided by 189 I am getting x to the power of 3, x power 7 is x to the power of 10. So it is of dx. Now you do the integration. Directly x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 7 divided by 7 into 9, 63 plus x to the power of 15 divided by 15 into 3969. So 59535. 59535 and plus it is x to the power of 11. So divided by 11 only. So that I can write 2 times x to the power of 11 divided by 11 into 189. So 2 2079. This is your integration, and you are substituting the limits 0 to x. No doubt upper limit minus lower limit. So directly I'm getting the same x cubed by 3 plus x to the power of 7 by 63, x to the power of 15 by 59535 plus 2 x to the power of 11 divided by 2079. So this is about your third approximate root. So in this root, we want to calculate y value at x equal to 0.4. So for x equal to 0.4, directly in the last answer you substitute. It is 0.4. You find out that value. Direct substitute cheyandamma. It is 0.4. 0.4. Power is 3. So it's divided by 3. You are getting, and for that answer plus 0.4, its power 7 divided by, what is the answer you are getting? Just you substitute x equal to 0.4. Are you getting this answer? 0.0273. Is it correct? Only you are substituting x equal to 0.4 there. Is it okay? You need to use your calculator so that you will get the answer. Have you got the answer? Emma?
Yes, sir.
0.0273. Okay. So minimum you need to find out up to 3 approximate roots and directly find out the answer. If it is very lengthy, no problem, you can calculate up to 2 also, second approximate root. Now I give you a problem. You just find out the answer. Triple people, vibrant people, electrical people, you should have guts to find out the solution. Find the solution of dy by dx. It is equal to 1 plus xy with a condition is there, y of 0 equal to 1, and find y value at x equal to 0.2. Make it fast. Rule number 2 and 1. It's a ijjat ka sawal of only 2 people. The rest of the candidate, they are sleeping. So you are using Picard's approximation method in order to get your answer. Fast. Given so your dy by dx, it is equal to 1 plus xy, and condition y of 0 equal to 1. So start with f of x comma y, your right side value 1 plus xy, and by the condition x naught is 0, y naught becomes 1. So after getting that, now you are using Picard's approximation method in order to get your answer. So I'm just substituting the formula. So y naught as per your given problem 1 plus integral x naught is nothing but 0. So 0 to x that f of x comma y n minus 1 of dx. Now you go for the problem. For n equal to 1, first approximate. I just calculate first one. So 1 plus integral 0 to x f of x comma n equal to 1 means y naught. It is of dx. So it is equal to 1 plus integral 0 to x. So it is looking like f of x comma y. What is your f of x comma y? 1 plus x you keep as it is. Y is nothing but y naught. It is of dx. So it is 1 plus integral 0 to x. So 1 plus x into your y naught value is 1 of dx. So 1 plus I am doing the integration. It is nothing but x plus x square by 2. The limits here 0 to x. Or I can write 1 plus x square by 2. Upper limit only and the lower limit is equal to 0. So first approximate is over. Go for the next. For n equal to 2, it is y2. Only in the last expression integral 0 to x f of x comma n equal to 2 means it becomes y1 of dx. So 1 plus integral 0 to x looking f of x comma y type. So f of x comma y is nothing but 1 plus x into y is nothing but y1 now. It is of dx. So 1 plus integral 0 to x. So 1 plus x into y1 we have already calculated 1 plus x square by 2. So that value I am just substituting there and it is of dx. So do the simplification first. So it becomes 1 plus integral 0 to x. So 1 plus if I make the multiplication x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 2. Is it correct? 1 plus x square plus x cube by 2. It is of dx. Now you are integrating 1 plus. So if I do the integration, x plus it is x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 4 by 4 into 2 is 8. So limits 0 to x. So when I substitute the limits, upper limit, it is 1 plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 4 by 8. And the lower limit anyhow it is equal to 0. Only for the integration you are substituting. Similarly, you can go for third approximate root. It is y3. So what about the y3 value? It becomes 1 plus integral 0 to x f of x comma y2 of dx. So 1 plus integral 0 to x. It is looking like 1 plus x into y only, but it is y2. It is of dx. So 1 plus integral 0 to x. So 1 plus x into y2 already calculated 1 plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 4 by 8. That value I am substituting and overall it is of dx. Do the simplification first. So 1 plus integral 0 to x. So 1 plus x plus that is x square plus x cube by 2 plus x to the power of 4 by 3 plus x to the power of 5 by 8. So for this you are doing the integration. So 1 plus it is x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 4 by 2 into 4, 8 plus x to the power of 5 by 5 into 3, 15 plus x to the power of 6 by 6 into 8, 48. Limits 0 to x. So when I substitute the limits, 1 plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power of 4 by 8 plus x to the power of 5 by 15 plus x to the power of 6 by 48. So that is your third approximate root. So after getting that third approximate root, asking to find out y value at x equal to 0.2. So if I substitute that x is equal to 0.2, so you try to find out the y value. Approximately I am getting 1.022. Is it correct or not? You just verify with your calculator. అక్కడ మనకు ఫైనల్ గా వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేయండి, అయిపోతుంది. వచ్చిందా చూడండి. Have you got the answer? మీరు ఇజ్జత్గా సవాలన్నా వేరే ఏమన్నా ఏం మాట్లాడట్లేదు.
$1.2229.
So 1.022 I got. Individually you calculate with your help of your calculator. X value 0.2. So one by one you find out and take the total of all the values. Okay, meanwhile I give you a last problem so that we can close your Picard's approximation method problem. అది చెక్ చేయండి మరి కరెక్ట్ అనా కాదా అని. So here I am giving you y dash is equal to 2x minus y with y of 1 it is equal to 3. Asking to calculate only the solution. No need of getting any y value. So up to third approximate root you find out the answer. ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పండి నాకు. ఫస్ట్ చేయాలమ్మా. ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందన్న చెప్పండి. Different mathematicians, they have invented different ideas to get the solution. This is one of the important ideas where Picard has given the clue to find out the solution. If you want, you can also use your previous method, no doubt, when method is not mentioned. Are you finding the solution for this?
Sir, why not in this call, sir?
It is looking like y of x naught equal to y naught. X naught value is 1, y naught value is 3, your right side value. I just give you. అక్కడ కండిషన్ ఎలా ఇస్తే అలా ఉండాలమ్మా. అది గివెన్ dy by dx equal to 2x minus y and the condition is y of 1 is equal to 3. That means your f of x comma y is 2x minus y and x naught, that bracket value is 1 and y naught is equal to 3. That's the clue. So there you directly substitute your Picard approximation method and try to find out the solution for that. So that is the formula you are using and where y naught it is stands for 3 plus integral x naught is nothing but 1 to x. So it is f of x comma y n minus 1. It is of dx, keep as it is. So here you are substituting n equal to 1. y1, it stands for only in the last expression. Integral 1 to x, f of x comma n equal to 1 means y naught of dx. So it is nothing but 3 plus integral 1 to x, f of x comma y type. So in your f of x comma y, no change in x. So 2x minus అక్కడ ఏ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇస్తే ఆ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ రాయండి. y దగ్గర y నాట్ రాస్తున్నారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ dx. So this is equal to 3 plus, so we first do the simplification, 1 to x, it is of 2x minus y naught, it is mentioned that 3 dx. So it is 3 plus, now you do the integration, integral of 2 into x, so x square minus it becomes 3x, limits 1 to x. So it is 3 plus, go for first upper limit. Upper limit means same as it is x square minus 3x. Here lower limit is 1. So minus 1 and plus 3 you are getting. Or this is nothing but 3 plus x square minus 3x plus 2. Or this can be taken as 5 plus x square minus 3x. This is the first approximate solution for the given problem. Similarly, you can go for n is equal to 2. ఇంకొకటి చేసి చూపించాలా? For n equal to 2, లాస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లోనే రాయండి. అంటే y2 ఈక్వల్ టు 3 ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 టు x, f ఆఫ్ x కామా y n మైనస్ 1 ఉంది అంటే y1 ఆఫ్ dx అన్నట్టు ఇది. అంటే 3 ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 టు x, f ఆఫ్ x కామా y టైప్ లో ఉంది. యువర్ f ఆఫ్ x కామా y is 2x మైనస్ y. సో 2x మైనస్ y దగ్గర y1 అని రాస్తారు. It is of dx. So 3 plus integral 1 to x, 2x as it is minus y1 already we calculated. So it is 5 plus x square minus 3x. అక్కడ వచ్చిన y1 ని అక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ సింప్లిఫై చేసిన తర్వాతనే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 3 ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 to x. So 2x minus into minus plus 3x is there. So it becomes 5x minus 5 minus x square. So directly you do the integration 3 plus. So 5 into x square by 2 minus 5x minus x cube by 3. So limits here it is 1 to x. So when I am substituting your upper limit, same as it is 5x square by 2 minus 5x minus x cube by 3. And when you go for lower limit, minus 5 by 2, that is plus 5 and plus 1 by 3. దీన్ని కొంచెం సింప్లిఫై చేయండి. సో ముందు x టర్మ్స్ రాయండి. 5x square by 2 minus 5x ఉంది minus x cube by 3. మిగతా వాటన్నిటిని సింప్లిఫై చేసేయండి. అది ఎంత వస్తుంది? 3 ఉంది ప్లస్ 5 ఉంది 8 minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 35 by 6 వస్తుందా చూడండి. Are you getting 35 by 6? సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఏమా అట్లాగే n equal to 3 కూడా రాసేయండి. మినిమం 3 times you are calculating y3. చెప్పండి నాకు లాస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందో. 1 to x f of x comma y2 ఇది it is of dx అంటే 3 plus integral 1 to x. సో ఇది 2x minus y టైప్ లో ఉంది అంటే 2x minus y దగ్గర y2. అది రాసి సింప్లిఫై చేసి నాకు లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ ఏం వస్తుందో చెప్పండి. నా దగ్గర ఒక ఆన్సర్ ఉంది, అదే ఆన్సర్ మీకు వచ్చిందా లేదా అన్నది ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేయండి. సెవెన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై 2 minus 5x cube by 6 plus x to the power of 4 by 12 minus 35x by 6 plus 73 by 12. ఇది ఆన్సర్ ఉంది నా దగ్గర. సో మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేయండి, అదే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందా రాలేదా అన్నది తెలుస్తుంది మీకు. చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి.